This is for Year 12 methods. It comes out of the 2017 probability test, question number 3. The weights of sultana packs are normally distributed with a mean of 30 and a standard deviation of 0.8. Show the position of the mean in the first, second and third standard deviation intervals. Okay, well that's going to be 30. And then that's 30.8, 31.6, 32.4, 29.2, 28.4, 22.6, done. Part B, boxes weighing less than 28.5, so around about there, are deemed to be small because they're underweight, they're rejected. What is our corresponding Z score for this value? Well, I know that Z equals X minus mu over standard deviation, therefore it's going to be 28.5 minus 30 over 0.8, or on the calculator, negative 1.825. What percentage of packets are rejected as underweight? Give this answer to 2 decimal places. I need to find out the percentage and then round to 2 decimal places. So I know that it's normal, so interactive, distribution, continuous, normal CDF. They're going to be underweight, so they're going to go from negative infinity up to 28.5 with the standard deviation of 0.8 and a mean of 30. And that gives me that, which is that value, which is 3.0396, which becomes 3.04%. Packets weighing more than 31.2 are rejected as being overweight. What percentage are rejected as being overweight? Give your answer to 2 decimal places. So what I'm looking for there is greater than 31.2. So 31.2 comma to infinity of 0.8, and that's their answer, and that's where that comes from. Okay, part E, what percentage are accepted? Well, if this percentage are rejected and this percentage are too big, then 1 minus this will give me that. Always use more decimal places in your calculations and only round once you've got your answer. Okay, the next question, what percentage of accepted packets are less than 30 grams? Well, this is a conditional. I'm only going to consider the accepted packages. So it's going to be, what's the probability that they're less than 30, given that they're accepted? So between 28.5 and 31.2. Now I know that that's this because I got given that in the last question. Between 28.5 and 30 is this. So if I was to generate I can put this is my accepted. So I can put that into the denominator, and that's between 28.5 and 31.2, and in the numerator I want between 28.5 and 30. And it's going to be 52.017 or 02%. And what are the limits for the box to be for the middle 70%? So what I want in this case is the middle 70%. So I'm going to use interactive distribution inverse normal, and I want a center and the probability to be 0.7 and standard deviation of 0.8 and the mean to be 30. And that will give me one of the limits, which is 29.17. So that's given me the smaller number. So So if I take that number and I go 30 minus that answer, which is that, and then if I plus 30 to that, should give me my upper limit, which should be 30.829, which is 30.83.